While it can be tempting to spend time printing piles of worksheets and decorating bulletin boards for back to school, you can make your prep more impactful by putting your energy into getting into the right frame of mind before classes begin. When spring comes around, what essential skills and big ideas do you hope your students will walk away with? Consider making a vision board to map out what you'd like to accomplish. Put it somewhere that reminds you of the big projects you want to dig into and the skills you want your students to build. Or write a letter to yourself. Ask questions like, what was one great thing about last year that I want to carry forward? Reflecting on your goals for the year ahead can spark ideas for making those dreams a reality. Research tells us that a strong bond between teachers and students can have powerful social and academic benefits. Start thinking now about how you would get to know your students in the first few weeks of school, and stay connected to them as time goes by. Try passing out a get to know you sheet. Besides interests, nicknames, and pronouns, including questions like what frustrates you about learning and what gets you excited, can give you insight early on to what strategies might work best for certain students. Or build your own version of daily greetings at the door. Welcoming students with kindness increases academic engagement while reducing disruptive behavior. It may help you feel prepared and productive to have your lesson plan set in stone from the first day of school to winter break, but that can put a damper on creativity and flow for you and your students. As the school year gets rolling, you'll learn more about their needs and interests. Give yourself the flexibility to tailor your lessons and activities to the students you're teaching now. And try bringing the word into your classroom by being responsive to current events. It will result in a more dynamic and engaging classroom experience. Back to school time is filled with to-dos and checklists. By taking the time to clarify your priorities and set your intentions, will help you and your students thrive throughout the year.